In this guide, you'll learn how to archive a task. Archiving a task means setting it aside. An archive task no longer appears in active lists in Starbrix, but unlike deleting, you can always unarchive it later and continue working with it. The most common way to archive a task is by clicking the Archive button here. Now, for example, Task B has been archived. If Task B had subtasks, those would have been archived together with it. Another way is to first open the task using the Open button. Then, in the lower right corner, click Archive Task. As you can see, the task is now archived, and from here, you can also unarchive it if needed. Let's go back to the project and the Gantt chart. Since the task is archived, it no longer shows up here, and I can continue by creating new tasks. So where do we find archived tasks afterwards? To see them, first deselect any selected resource in the upper left corner. Then go to Tasks. And in the upper right corner, open the View selector, and choose Archived Tasks. Here, I can see all archived tasks. If I want, I can open one, and unarchive it. For example, if I unarchive Task A, and go back to the project, and the Gantt chart, Task A is once again visible and active. The benefit of archiving tasks is that you can keep your active project views clean and focused, while still being able to bring tasks back later if needed. And that's how you archive and unarchive tasks in Starbrix.